Welcome back to Stone Coyote Studios tutorial series, Inventory. Alright, so last time we set up a basic scene. We have a couple of actors talking to each other, we have a structure of inventory, we have a UI that we're ready to put out. So, in the backpack actor, you want to change that up just in case you weren't paying attention or I missed you. Keyboard I. Never works, right? Alright, so scroll down to keyboard I. When I is pressed, or on anyone, you can just click this and press the key. Anyways, when inventory is released, create widget. So that widget is your inventory menu UI. Always come from the owning player and put something. I like to put player controller. And index 0, which is the automatic possession that we used. Super important. Add to viewport. Alright. Let's test that. Blank screen. We had an apple. Great. Now let's press I. And there's the UI. It isn't like, it doesn't say the right stuff yet, but there it is. So, what we need to do now is send this here data over to the UI. Okay, so custom event, just like that. Let's call this set description text. You go over there for a while. Don't need you yet. Custom event. Ooh, set item 1. Don't need you yet. Custom event. Set item 2. Woodles. And let's do one more custom event. Let's not. We can do what I was going to do elsewhere. Okay. So we set the description text. Oh, wow. Yo, okay. So, item description text. Drag it out. Get it? Item description text. Drag out from the output and set text parentheses text. Okay. Just for now. Oh. Okay. All right. See, I forgot something. This needs an input. This needs to be text. And this needs to be text input. Funny how that works out. Save and bring that to there. Put that under there. And we good. All right. So where's our inventory structure? There it is. Set item 1. We don't have it yet. Great. Struct. Turns out we need this. And when that happens, get back, get actor, backpack, good. Let's promote that to a variable, call it backpack reference. Very good. So we now have a backpack reference. Bring that here. Good. Key. Get the key. Drag out from this and press B before letting go. That'll give you a branch. Let's make this a little more compact, shall we? Great. So if there's a key in the backpack and that is on, meaning you have a key, set text. Gotta do this right. Okay, item 1 text. Drag this out. Great. Okay, so item 1 text, set text, text, of course. And since this is on and off, we can just say that's the old key or whatever we called it. All right, item 2, backpack reference. What do we have? Oh, I did this wrong, didn't I? Yes, I did. Oops. Okay. That's all well and good, but it also we need the structure. So add that. Get inventory structure. Rules. Drag this over to the output to set our current inventory structure to whatever is in the inventory. Now, get the inventory structure, and from there, right. Let's split this pen. Ha ha. There it is. And poof, just like that. All right, so this is unnecessary actually. Set item 2, branch it, duplicate this with Control D. This one's going to be a little bit more complex because we're going with pebbles, right? So if this is greater than 0, boop, just like that. Not that bad, right? Okay. So bring the item 2 text, get it, set text, parentheses text. Bring it down. In text is shiny pebbles. That's all you need to know for now for that. Well, oh, I'm being lazy. Format this. Drag it out from the text input. Click Format Text. Now you're going to learn something. Shiny pebbles, just like before, space, put the little curly bracket. And space, pebbles, space, close the curly bracket, press enter. Would you look at that? Now we can take this number and put it in there, and it will say the number instead. Boop. So, in the backpack, let's go ahead and put pebbles at 2 so we can observe this. Let's save, minimize that, plan, I. Didn't work. Let's see what I did wrong. I see, I see, I see. I never said it, did I? Okay. Set item 2. Set item 2. Let's see if that works. Click and press I. Didn't work. I see why. What was I thinking? It said item 1. Let's try this one more time. Okay. Item 1 text to Rusty Old King. Okay. That's all fine. So item 2. So that hopefully goes through. Let's see. Pilot, save it, play it. Yeah. Well, now, whatever is the issue. Alright. Says hello. Print string. Let's see. Bummer. So it doesn't read the rusted key. Okay. See what's going on here. Right. Right. So we should get 2 bummers, right? 2 bummers. I feel silly. Let's try this again. Ha ha ha. Would you look at that? Okay. Let's bring it up a little. Shiny pebbles, too. Rusted old key. And that's how we troubleshoot, everybody. Okay, always good on your falses to have a print string so you know what exactly is going wrong. So let's see. We now add items to our inventory. We now display our inventory. And we talk between the backpack and the test what's it. I should mention something. That these little functions can be called, as you saw, from any other actor. So when you make your interaction, which we'll do in the next video, You'll be able to send that as a message and say, hey, run this Pebble thing, and it runs it from here. That might sound a little esoteric, but we'll get into it next time. So, for now, we're going to leave it at this because I'm starting to ramble pretty early in the day, pretty late, depending on how you look at it. And we're going to stop it here and pick this up again with the next video. In that video, we're going to show how to consume some things, like the key, maybe. You know, it's rusty and old. Use it in a lock, it's gonna might dissolve. Bummer, right? So yeah, we'll figure that out. And I think we're gonna be set for the inventory. So I'll catch y'all's next time. Peace.